Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your very first window using Raylib, an awesome library for a game development. It's super simple and perfect for beginners. Let's dive into the code. First, we include the Raylib header file. This gives us access to all the functions provided by Raylib. Next, we define the dimension of our window, 1000 pixels wide and 600 pixels high. Then we use the init window function to create the window, and it gives us give it a title, value window or whatever you want. Pretty simple, right? After that, we call set target FPS to lock the frame rate at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth visuals. Different machines have varying performance levels, which can cause big differences in frame rates without a limit. Higher frame rates can make motions way too fast, while lower ones might make everything laggy. Locking it to 60 FPS is a great starting point, especially for beginners. In future tutorials, we'll use something called delta time for smooth motion calculation. But since we're only working with text here, this method works just fine for now. Here's the code, a while loop that keeps running as long as the window is open. Inside this loop, we handle all the drawing commands. Let's break this part down. First, we'll call begin drawing to start drawing. Then we clear the background to white using clear background. Finally, we use draw text to display text on the screen at the position of 50 by 300. If you have any other calculations or logic to update variables, make sure you do it before calling begin drawing to avoid performance issues. So at the end, when the loop ends, we call close window. This ensures everything is properly cleaned up and is freeing memory or releasing system resource. And that's it. You have successfully created your first graphical window using Raylib. How easy was that, huh? So as a tip, start adding comments to your code as I've done here, so it's easier to understand when you revisit it later. Stick around for more tutorials where we'll dive into interactivity, animations, and building exciting projects. See you next time.